How we can make videos with photos in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me take one blank canvas. So just go to the create, and here we need to go in video section. Under the video you can see the all size of videos. So you can take any of these size, like landscape video, Instagram video, whatever. So I just take this one, YouTube video. Okay, and I have this canvas, and this is our timeline, or you can say layer. If you don't visible to you, just click on these pages, it will be visible to you. Okay, now you can search any photos in Canva, like natural pic. Okay, go to the graph photos, and you can take any photos from here. You need to just click it, it will be add here one by one. Okay, or you can simply upload your own photos. If you have your own photos on your PC, then you can click on this upload file and upload your photos like this. Hit the control key on your keyboard and hold it, and you can select multiple photo like this and open it. Then it will be start uploading here. Now you can simply select photo one by one. So I just put a few photo. Okay, I have put the few photo here, you can see. So you can see this is now it's playing video, like. Okay, so there is a one if some effect you can give. Okay, so here you need to first check the timeline or times of per image you want to spend. Okay, so here 5 seconds for one image. So in video 5 seconds this image will be play. After 5 seconds that another image will be start. Okay, so what you need to do, you can decrease the size, sorry, timeline. So I just decrease this at 3 seconds. So you can decrease one by one, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever you want. Okay, just decrease the time. If you want to keep more time, you can keep it. Okay, now there is a one effect you can give, like transition effects. Just select first image, right click on it, and go to the add transitions, and here select that match and move. Okay, because for image the match and move is a perfect transitions effects, so it will be view proper. So now just scroll down and just apply between the all scenes, and this is the duration. Okay, you can increase or decrease the duration of these transitions and apply all scenes. So this transition has been applied. Now let me play this video. You can see this transition has been done. Now we can also add the music. Okay, here you can see there is a shortcuts option, add music. You can upload your own music from your computer. From here you can record your voice over, or go to the AI voice or music, or you can go to the app, just scroll down and go to the audio, and here you can record your voice over, like you can record your voice from here, or you can simply generate the voice with AI. Okay, you can copy paste script here or write your script and generate the AI voice. You can choose that character of voice whatever you want. Okay, or there is a one option, you can upload the audio from here. Just go to the upload, go to upload file, select your audio. Okay, I just select this audio. The audio will be upload here. Now you need to just select it, it will be add here. You have to just drag. Okay, so my video audio size is, I think, okay, compared to this image size, sorry, this image length, my audio size is okay, it is like 19 seconds, and my image size or image length around 20 seconds, 21 seconds. So you can decrease that image length timeline. Okay, so now let me play. Okay, you can play this old video and audio will be play, or when you click on this audio file, there is an option you can see the customization will happen, will be visible. Now you can enhance your voice. Okay, that enhance voice is very good feature. It will be remove your all your audio noise and background noise. Okay, this is a fade up. You can fade up in or out, and this is a volume. You can keep more volume. You can also split your audio file. Okay, like this you can split with the two part. Okay, just undo it. Now after done, go to the share, download the mp4, and adjust your quality. If you keep more quality, your video file or your file size will be more, so you can keep it middle or normal quality and just download it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.